Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to an update on SLP. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from a very big descending triangle, we had a nice pump, but the price on of SLP was rejected by a long-term resistance of $0.006, and this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then you can see that after the rejection, price has broken down this very significant support of $0.004. That was recently working as a resistance here. Before that was working as a resistance here, and now it can again work as a resistance after this breakdown. And now we are also breaking down this very significant support of EMA 21 as well. You can see that for the past several months, it was breaking as a resistance. Before that, for several months, it had been breaking as a support. And before that, for several months, it had been breaking as a very, very strong resistance. And now we are again breaking it down. Therefore, again, it can break as a resistance for the price line of SLP. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. You can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for pros, just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart, and on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 16th of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also find the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SLP, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, SLP was moving inside this descending triangle since after the month of October 2023. You can see that we had several touch points here, then we had a bounce, rejection, another rejection, then we had several touch points at the support once again, and we got few more rejections. And after getting squeezed inside this triangle, finally we broke it out. And after a short pump, the price then got rejected by this long-term resistance of $0.006. That was recently working as a resistance here. And before that, this $0.006 has been breaking as a resistance here and resistance here as well. Therefore, now, again, it worked as a very strong resistance. And after the rejection, we have broken down this very significant support of $0.004. Now we are moving towards the next long-term support of $0.00275. And we are also breaking down this very long-term support of EMA 21 as well, the exponential moving average 21. Previously, you can see that it had been breaking as a very strong resistance here for several months. And before that, it had been breaking at a really nice support here for several months. And before that, for several months, even for almost 2 or 3 years, it had been breaking as a very, very strong resistance. And after the breakout, it was again flipped into a support. Therefore, now after the breakout, it can be again breakdown. It can be again flipped into a very strong resistance for the price line of SLP. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this descending triangle is here, that is approximately at 1.25 cents. And if the price and reaches there, then we can also break out this very long-term resistance zone as well. This resistance zone, by the way, starts from $0.0085 and goes to 1 cent. That has been previously breaking as a support zone. And now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a very, very strong resistance zone. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of SLP. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout, from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that target will be here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at 40 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.